President Trump is winning the China tariff feud. Hi, my name is Joe Cantu, and this is the China Report. Containers are piling up in all the ports of China. Take a look at this picture. It is just incredible. In the conclusion, I'll give you a little more information. Propaganda on TikTok. Number 1, China is selling U.S. treasuries. The truth is, there's no proof of this. China is the second largest owner of United States treasuries. Number 2, falsehood. China does not need U.S. buying. The truth is, the United States is the world's single biggest consumer on planet Earth. We actually consume almost 30% of the GDP of the planet. Another falsehood on TikTok. Other countries are partnering with China to fight the tariffs. The truth is, Korea and Japan, it's been rumored that they were partnering with China. That's not true. They're negotiating directly with the White House on tariffs. Falsehood. China is self-sustaining on food. The truth is, China imports 49% of their agriculture, and the U.S. is the biggest importer of agriculture to China, which I don't know if that's stopped or not. There may be some exemptions on grains. China will soon come to the negotiating table. Why? Companies have already gone bankrupt, and many more will soon be out of business. The youth and the workers are revolting and protesting in China. History has a way of repeating itself. This is exactly what President Reagan did, is he bankrupted the USSR and the Berlin Wall came down. Now, if you want to know more about China, see China's Hidden Truths on my other channel called Retirement Hidden Truths in Money Management.